When it comes to upgrading your home, one of the most significant improvements you can make is installing new windows. New windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve energy efficiency and security. However, before your window installation team arrives, it's important to prepare your home to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Whether you're installing windows in a new construction or replacing old ones, preparing your space in Bartow will help you avoid delays and ensure the job is completed to your satisfaction. Clear the area around the windows. One of the first things to do when preparing for window installation is to clear the area around your windows. Window installers will need access to both the interior and exterior of your home. This means removing any furniture, decor, or obstacles that may be in the way. On the inside, move any furniture, rugs, or other items at least 3 feet away from the window. On the outside, trim back any bushes, shrubs, or tree branches that could obstruct access to your windows. This will give the installers the space they need to work efficiently and avoid any damage to your property. Remove window treatments and blinds. If you have curtains, blinds, or any other window treatments, make sure to remove them before the installation begins. Not only will this protect them from dust and debris, but it will also allow the installation team to work freely without having to navigate around these items. Consider taking down any rods or hardware as well to prevent any accidental damage during the installation process. Secure your pets. During a window installation, there will be a lot of activity and possibly some noise. To ensure the safety of your pets and to avoid unnecessary stress for both you and the installers, it's a good idea to secure your pets in a separate room or take them to a quiet area away from the work zone. This will not only help your pets feel safe but will also prevent any interference with the installation process. Protect your floors and carpets. Installing windows can create some dust and debris, especially if old windows are being removed. Protect your floors and carpets by laying down a drop cloth or plastic sheeting in the areas where the installers will be working. This will help keep your home clean and prevent any damage to your flooring during the removal and installation process. If you have valuable rugs or carpets, consider moving them to another room or covering them with a protective layer. Ensure accessibility for the installation team. Accessibility is key to a successful window installation. Make sure that the installers can easily access both the interior and exterior of your home. If your windows are located on higher floors or in hard-to-reach areas, discuss with the installation team about the best way to ensure access. You may need to arrange for ladders or scaffolding if your home has a second or third story. Prepare for noise and disruption. Installing windows can be a noisy process, especially when old windows are being removed. While the installation team will try to keep disruption to a minimum, it's important to prepare for some noise and activity in your home. If you're working from home or have small children, plan accordingly. You might want to consider adjusting your schedule or arranging for a quiet area in your home where you can work or relax while the installation is underway. Check for any special requirements. If you have any special requests or requirements for your window installation, such as specific placement for curtains or blinds, or if you have any concerns about the installation process, communicate with your installation team ahead of time. Having these conversations in advance will help ensure that everything goes smoothly and that your windows are installed exactly how you want them. Confirm the details with the installation team. Before the installation begins, confirm all the details with your window installation team. Double-check the installation date, the number of windows to be installed, and any specific instructions you may have. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page and there are no surprises on the day of installation. Conclusion. Preparing your home for window installation in Bartow doesn't have to be stressful. By following these simple steps, clearing the area, protecting your floors, securing your pets, and communicating with the installation team, you'll be well on your way to a smooth and successful window installation experience. Taking the time to prepare your home properly will not only help your installers work efficiently but will also give you peace of mind knowing your home is ready for this important upgrade.